Today, we're breaking down SignalPeak, a subscription-based crypto signal service that delivers trade ideas, analysis, and market breakdowns directly through Telegram. Now, I've been using SignalPeak for a while now, and it has completely changed my trading game because of the analysis, and it's actually telling you why we're taking certain signals rather than having some bot do it for you that you don't know what's happening, and of course, other things in the space that can be very misleading and just end up not making you money. But SignalPeak is exactly what it claims to be. Human-driven signal analysis simply delivered in a consistent way for people who want clearer direction in the market. Now, you can get a free trial for this one right now, so let's dive into this video and I will show you how. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this. So this is SignalPeak, and this is basically a service that has vetted all of the best Telegram groups out there for signals in both the crypto and Forex markets. SignalPeak provides daily crypto signal trades, and they're sent through Telegram with clear entry ranges, stop levels, target ideas, and context explaining why the setup matters. Now, I'm going to walk you through this, but what's important here is these guys have gone ahead and vetted all of these different signal groups, as you can see here, and it's displayed the top 5 at the top here. So this is what we're going to be looking at today by diving into Telegram. Now, you'll see that this is intentionally simple with no dashboards to learn, no software to install, and no bots to configure. It's simply just signals and educational commentary sent straight to your Telegram app. Now, to get involved with this, super easy. All you got to do is hit the link in the description to get the free trial. Or if you do get to the website here, you can press the start free trial button at the top here. Then you'll be sent to this Telegram opening page. So all we're going to do is hit start bot here, and then we're going to open up Telegram. So here we are in Telegram. You can see it says SignalPeak bot at the top here. This is how you know you're in the right place, and make sure it says this as well. So to get the free trial, all you got to do is hit the free trial button. Now, I have a paid subscription, so yeah, I mean, I don't have this button available, but you guys definitely will. And then from that point, we can choose to join Crypto Channels 1, Crypto Channels 2, or join Forex channels if crypto isn't your thing, which is absolutely fine. The Forex channels are absolutely insane as well, guys, so definitely go ahead and check those out. Let's go ahead and join the Crypto Channels 1 here, and then what we can do is actually scroll through all of these different chats which we would get signals from, and essentially just tailor our experience. Now, we can go with all of these, or we can actually untick some of them if we don't want them and add the rest that are ticked. Now, today we're going to be focusing on Binance Killers because this is the absolute best one out there in my opinion, but you've also got other things like Glassnode Daily and other high tier different groups that you can join where you can get daily signals. Let's go ahead and add 84 different groups here. And then if we pull up our sidebar here in Telegram, we can see that if we did type in Binance, we can find that Binance Killers group very easily, in which our request was automatically approved. Now, if you are looking for a specific one, but you forget the name or something like that, simply just click this button again, and then you can scroll down and find that group and then search it in the search bar very easily. But let's go ahead to Binance Killers VIP signals, and we can see here that yes, just even yesterday, we got a signal through, which was a market update. This is an update on Bitcoin, so it says BTC is moving in an ascending triangle and currently toward the trendline support, which is acting the critical decision area. And it basically just gives you the rundown daily of what's going on in the markets, as well as some signals here too. So here we can see a signal on Doge to USDT, and it's a long signal. And if we look, we can see the entry point is 13,336. The exit is 13,650 with targets and, of course, a stop loss here too. Our sponsor today is Lead Sniper, and Lead Sniper basically allows you to scale your business massively by scraping the internet for leads that actually convert. They have helped thousands of marketers, including myself, so I'm very happy they have sponsored the video today. Now, they have a Google Map scraper, a Google search scraper, and even a Yellow Pages scraper, and with many more tools coming out soon. So definitely check them out in the description. Let's get back to the video. Now we can also see that it's given us some TA on this as well, saying that, hey, the reason why we're taking this trade is because of the support level here, and basically just expecting a bounce to come through. If we scroll up, we can see even more. It's not just for Bitcoin and Doge. They do this for basically every one of the major cryptos out there, and you can see TA is accompanying all of these. Really, really good stuff. You can actually see here that this is a signal that came in profitable, where target 1 was hit for 14% profit, which is on 5x. So that's fantastic, just showing you guys this stuff does work. And guys, this is just one of the hundreds of groups that SignalPeak offers. And again, it does offer Forex as well if crypto isn't your thing, so not to worry there. But here is the point here, guys. This is a trade that actually got nearly 100% profit with 3 targets being hit. Again, showing that here with the TA on the chart there too. Now let's actually go to TradingView and check that this is what it says it is. So here we can see that we do have a signal through that we mentioned earlier on IMX to USDT on 2 to 5x leverage, which is a long, and that target was hit. So let's actually go ahead and actually find this on the chart and prove that this is a successful trade. Now, it's worth noting that, yes, this is a trade from December 12th, and it's currently December 15th for me, so this is a few days ago. So let's actually take note of that and find it on the chart. So here we are in my trading view. We can see we've got Bitcoin up right here, but if we type in that IMX USDT, we can see that, yes, this is what we're looking for here. Now, what we can do here is, of course, disable our indicators, but actually go back here and see what trade we were talking about. So let's go to the 4-hour. So here is the actual signal that came through on the 11th. Of course, the take profit was hit on the 12th. And what we're going to see here is the entry point is at 27 cents. And then that first target is at 27.9 here. So if we do go down to the 1 hour, like the signal suggested, we can see here that this is basically what we're looking at here. So we've got 27.2 all the way up here to 27.9, where that signal would have come through. So we've got 27.2, or roughly this area where they wanted us to enter, going all the way up to 27.9, where, yes, the take profit was hit here. Now, of course, that says 2%, but if we do go to Telegram here, it says that we were doing this on a 5x leverage. So if we do the quick math here, that is a 31% profit on 5x, which is fantastic. Just a good example of how these guys are thinking about what they're doing. We also have the TA here that is very, very easy to understand. So the proof is in the pudding here, guys, and that is why I use SignalPeak, and I wanted to make a video on it for you today. So here we can see that, yes, we looked at Binance killers today, but there are just so many groups here that you can dive into. Maybe you will find your own preferences, but if it is a little bit overwhelming, just stick to these 5 groups here, because these are basically just the best ones out there. Now, if we do go down here, what we could do is actually see that there are a few options here that we can choose from. So, of course, you've got that free day trial, which will be 1 day. And again, guys, I mean, you've got access to so many groups, you're going to get some signals from some of them in that time period. And then if you do make that successful trade, I would definitely recommend upgrading like I have. I currently have the lifetime, and honestly, I have no regrets. I've definitely made my money back on this investment. And yes, it's just something that works from my opinion. Again, they've got over 100 different Telegram groups. They've got signals in both crypto and Forex, depending on what your preference is. And of course, they do give you that technical analysis as well, so you know exactly why you're getting in a trade, which I believe to be something that is very important. So that is going to be it for this video. If you do want to check it out yourself, then go ahead and get that free trial with the link in the description. But I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out and goodbye from me.